Give me 2 minutes to break the comparison trap that's quietly killing your channel. That woman with that channel you're watching, she's 500 videos ahead of you. You're judging your messy behind the scenes against her curated highlighted reel, and it's keeping you stuck. I produce thousands of videos for creators in almost every niche, and I can promise you this, your perspective is your power. YouTube doesn't reward copycats. The algorithm, and most importantly, your audience, rewards originality. They're not craving another polished version of somebody else. They're searching for the real you, the solution that only you can give, the energy only you can bring. So stop trying to be her and start becoming fully you. The second you create from your core truth, the second you stop playing a losing game of comparison and start owning your story, is the moment everything shifts. That's when people start to feel you, trust you, follow you. Your growth, it was never meant to look like theirs. It was meant to look like yours. Bold, brave, and completely unmatched. And if this hit home for you, watch it again. Let it sink in. Sometimes the message that we need the most isn't new. It's the one that we finally hear at the right time. This might be the moment for you.